Hello, this is lesson 9.6. Again, you will need your chapter notes and something to write with. So the objective for 9.6 is to calculate the total cost of leasing a vehicle. So that is what 9.6 is about, is leasing a vehicle. So you can buy a vehicle or lease a vehicle. Those are long-term things. Or rent, which is a short-term thing. So lease is an agreement to use of property, such as a building or vehicle, usually on an annual basis. Okay, you've signed lease before. When do you have an apartment? There is a close-end lease and an open-end lease, and just to get you familiar with those, a close-end lease is a contract that allows you to use the property, such as the vehicle, for a set period of time, making amount of payments, and when you're done, you're done. But an open-end lease is a contract allowing you to use the property, again, for a set amount of time and periods, but you can purchase the item for the value when the lease is done. Now, on some vehicles, that is a bonus, okay? Because maybe you have paid in quite a bit of money, and then they're going to offer you what the value is left to purchase it. And then if you really like the vehicle, you have that option. So here's a little bit more about leases. You make payments every month. They last from every 2 to 5 years. Close-end lease, you just rent it. When it's done, it's done. You return it, you're done. An open-end lease, of course, I explained that to you. Okay? So here is the formula, and I believe that is already on your notes. So this is the number of payments times the amount of the payment plus the deposit plus the title fee and license fee. Okay, so everybody has a title to a vehicle. You must have the title when you buy a vehicle. So there's a fee for that, and then there's a license fee to get the license, the tabs, which you, like a registration fee that you have to pay, okay? And then usually you have to make some sort of deposit. And you are just going to multiply, get a total, and then add. So let's look at example 1. Edwin Reed leases a pickup truck to use in his lawn care business. He pays a $2,000 deposit. So I am going to look at this, okay, and put those two words together. $450 per month for 36 months. Okay, I'm going to make that month. That makes sense. And $80 title and $200 for license fee. So you can see here, they did 36 times 450 equals 16,200. Added the deposit, the title fee, and the license fee, and you get $18,520. So that's how much your lease is going to cost. So let's look at number 1. Kara Green leased a convertible by making a $3,000 deposit and paying $349 per month for 36 months. $80 title fee and $112 license fee. Okay, so this is going to be the hardest part for some of you to find, is this much. So per month for 36 months, that's going to tell you the payment. So $349 times 36. And then I'm plus the $3,000 deposit, plus $80 title fee, plus $112.86. And you should get $15,756.86. Pause the video, do number 2. Check your answers and move on to the practice. Here are the answers for number 1 and number 2. Check them over. Have a great day.